Hi everybody, it's Peter Zalms, GriniFlix Adventure 8. Welcome to another video. I've got some special news. I'm setting up a membership program for my YouTube channel, GriniFlix Adventure 8. This program is addition to the regular videos that I make for my viewers and my subscribers on adventure travel and also on photography. This will give my viewers and subscribers an opportunity to interact more with me around your specific interests, whether it be photography or whether it be adventure travel. So I've got 3 levels of membership. There's Coffee Club. So if you've got any value out of my channel, well, then that's a way you can actually show your appreciation just by joining the Coffee Club. Another level of membership will be the Adventure Circle. Now this is going to be the behind the scenes, extra videos, extra material, access to photographs for reviewing, content from my studio shoots as well. So you'll be able to see how those are done, the cameras I use, how I work with models, hints and tips. So if you want to know more about the studio work as well, then you'll be able to join the Adventure Circle membership. And then for those that really want to get involved, I do one-on-one photographic programs, but I also do one-on-one adventure travel in Australia, 4x4 outback travel. Interaction on the socials on a more regular basis. If you want to have a personalized tour anywhere in Australia, whether it be on a photographic tour or whether it be just be able to access some of the most remote areas of Australia through outback travel, then this will be the program also for you, where you get additional information if you want to do this on your own or if you'd like to join me on one of my tours as well. Then you can join the expedition team. So hopefully you can take advantage of not only being a subscriber and a viewer of my channel, but if you'd like to show the appreciation and the value that you've got out of my work and you'd like to see more of this work, then maybe join the Coffee Club or the Adventure Circle or the expedition team. Thanks again for your consideration. Hope you continue to get excellent value from my channel, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Cheers, bye.